Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily disable time-based notifications in the TikTok app. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching the video and put your likes. So, let's get started. And in order to do this, we will need with you to go into the settings of the phone. Then scroll down to the bottom until you find the TikTok app. And you'll need to go to it. And then go to the notifications section. And here you will be able to see this section, which is called Urgent Notification. And as you can see, it says that these notifications are sent immediately and that they will be on your work screen for about an hour. So, when these notifications come, they'll come to you immediately and they won't disappear for an hour. If you don't want such notifications to come to you from TikTok app, then you just need to disable this feature and then they won't bother you. Friends, in this simple way you can quickly disable time-based notifications in TikTok. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.